How to apply for HAJJ registration for 2023. Saudi Arabia has launched the procedure for local HAJJ registration for 2023. Requirement for HAJJ: Number 1. A valid Iqama or Saudi national card. Number 2. The pilgrim must be free from chronic diseases. Number 3. Eligible to perform HAJJ as per Upshur. Local HAJJ registration for 2023. The local HAJJ registration started on January 5th, 2023. At this stage, priority would be given to those Iqama holders who have never performed HAJJ before. Step 1. Create an account. Open the HAJJ registration link, which will be given in the description below. Click on the booking button. Enter your Iqama number. Select your date of birth. Write the CAPTCHA code. Enter your mobile number. Now enter the verification code sent to your mobile. Agree to the terms and conditions. Step 2. Add companion. In case you are planning to perform HAJJ with any of your family members, you need to add up to 13 companions here. People who have ever performed HAJJ before can register only with the companion who has never done so. Click on Add HAJJ companion, enter the Iqama number of the companion, select the date of birth of the companion, click on the Add button. On the next page, select the male mahram relation. Step 3. Add a package. At this stage for local HAJJ registration for 2023, you can select a HAJJ agent from the type of package you desire. Click on Add package, select the departure city, sort by price low to high, click on Add button. Step 4. Add bank account details. Please enter your IBAN account. This will be used in case of reservation cancellation to automatically refund your amount. Step 5. Payment type. At this stage for local HAJJ registration for year 2023, you can select one of the two payment types, example full payment or partial payment. In case of partial payment, the following would be the payment schedule: 20% within 72 hours of booking, 40% before 29th January 2023, 40% before 1st May 2023. HAJJ packages 2023. Saudi Arabia has launched 4 packages for local HAJJ registration for 2023. That is economical camps, which are 3,985 Riyal, normal camps, which are 8,093 Riyal, developed camps, which are 10,596 Riyal, and towers, Mina, which are 13,150 Riyals. Cancel HAJJ registration. In case you have changed your mind, you can cancel or update your local HAJJ registration. In order to do it, click on the link which is provided in the description box. Enter your Iqama number, enter the date of birth. The system will bring your submitted application. Scroll down and click on the delete request. Click on delete request again. That's it. You have successfully cancelled your HAJJ registration. Cancellation charges. The charges to cancel the local HAJJ registration for 2023 are as follows. After the payment, 67.85 Riyal electronic services fees per pilgrim. After 15 Shawwal, 10% of the HAJJ registration fee. After 15 Zulhajj, 100% of the HAJJ registration fee. I hope so this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on our other social media platforms.